Hey guys, in today's video, I just wanted to go through really quickly and show you the different size mason jars and then kind of give you some ideas of things that you can do with them. Because I just have like a serious mason jar problem, but this was just one of literally like 30 sets that I have made, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make on this channel. So if you love mason jars, you might want to subscribe so you don't miss that and turn on that little bell. Look at this one, guys. It's so beautiful. And you could do this in white with the gold, or I did another set in pink with the gold. They're so beautiful, but look, let me show you up close and personal. It needs to be resprayed because I think I did this one like 3 years ago, and I have used these for so many different things. I use them for photo shoots, and I use them like parties, and I'll put like flowers in this one, straws in here, and forks and knives, toothpicks. Use it in the center of the table, and it just makes this beautiful, you know, I have another one right here. See how beautiful this is? And this one is covered in like, this is genuine copper leaf. I sealed it, and it is just, I mean, it's aged so beautifully. It has kind of like this little patina in certain areas, but I just wanted to show you how cute it looks, but just showing you just one of the millions of things that you can do with these things. Let me really quickly run through the sizes that you have. So this is a gallon sized, and this one, so loud, half gallon, 32 ounce, 10 ounce, 8 ounce, and then look at this guy. Oh my God, he's the baby, he's so cute. He's a little 2 ounce jar. I mean, guys, look at this. That is so cute. And then there is also this one, which is also a 16 ounce, but this is like a 16 ounce squatty, and this is a 16 ounce regular. Here, I just didn't have any blanks for him, so he'll just have to stand in for you guys. But that's all the different sizes of these mason jars. I mean, they have some other ones that have like different prints and stuff, but if you wanted them to all basically look the same, there you go. And again, they're all the wide mouth versions. Otherwise, it would be hard to get stuff in and out. So I hope you guys found that helpful. Don't forget to tell me in the comments below what you use your mason jars for, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.